Today, we're shifting gears and diving into something truly special. The return of an off-road icon, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Toyota is bringing back the legendary FJ40 with a modern twist, while keeping its rugged DNA intact. Let's explore what makes this new Land Cruiser an exciting comeback, a tribute to the past with a modern touch. The original FJ40 was a beast, a tough, go-anywhere machine that earned a cult following. Now, in 2025, Toyota is reviving its classic off-road charm, but with modern technology, safety, and efficiency. The retro-style body pays homage to the original with round LED headlights, a bold grille, and boxy proportions. It's the perfect mix of nostalgia and innovation, performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ40 isn't just about looks. It's got the muscle to back it up. Toyota is expected to offer a turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering both power and efficiency. With advanced four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and improved suspension, this Land Cruiser is built to tackle extreme terrains, just like its legendary predecessor. Interior and technology. Step inside, and you'll find a rugged yet refined interior. Toyota has maintained a practical, no-nonsense layout, while integrating premium materials and modern tech. Expect features like a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and off-road driving modes. The cabin blends old-school toughness with new-age comfort, making it the perfect vehicle for adventure seekers. Off-road capability. A Land Cruiser wouldn't be a Land Cruiser without its legendary off-road capability. The 2025 FJ40 comes equipped with Toyota's latest crawl control, multi-terrain select, and a reinforced chassis. Whether you're rock crawling, conquering desert dunes, or navigating muddy trails, this machine is built to handle it all with ease. Why it's a game changer. Bringing back the FJ40 isn't just about nostalgia. It's about redefining off-road capability in the modern era. Toyota is offering a classic body-on-frame SUV that hardcore off-roaders will love, but with the efficiency and reliability that today's drivers demand. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is the perfect blend of heritage, power, and modern technology. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just love iconic SUVs, this is definitely one to keep an eye on. What do you think about this legendary comeback? Let us know in the comments. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.